Boom, shakalaka, boom. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to day 265 of 365. What's happening, everyone? Deuce Pesic here, founder and chief visionary officer of ND Pesic Group right here in Tallahassee, Florida. Um, Another gorgeous spring day. Worked my two jobs today, so I'm a little tired, but I didn't want to go days without sharing information with you guys, especially since we're in the last 100-day stretch, right? Um, and I'm glad I shared this with you. I wanted to get on with you guys today because I've noticed something in the past 2 days. I mean, it's always been there, but I guess the fact that it was so plain to see. I walked around both jobs and just looked at people who look so unfulfilled. These are the people that are literally living a life of just paying their bills and dying. I mean, you could tell in their eyes, and for me, I could see it. I could see it because I was living it, pre 2012. Just like you're going to your job you don't like and doing the work that doesn't fulfill you, and they get off of work and they most likely mope, and are just within themselves because they don't know like what their purpose and meaning is in life. And I guarantee you, tomorrow when you wake up and just look around, I guarantee you're gonna spot more people with that condition, called living the unfulfilled, meaningless life. That's what I call it. But it's terrible. I wish people would just grab a hold of themselves and say, all right, look, what makes me happy? Can I do this? Or better yet, how can I do this where I could make a living out of it and I get the fulfillment and joy of accomplishing this type of work. So, man, I love you guys. I mean, I guess that's one of the reasons why I wanted to do this series. It's yeah, there's a lot involved, but learn and suffer through it now so you could live like a champion later. I mean, Muhammad Ali said that. Suffer through it now, and then live the rest of your life as a champion. So that's what I got for you. That's why I'm doing this. I was in the shoes not very long ago, and the moment I became self-aware and realized what would fulfill me and the steps we were going to take throughout our growth and scale, for us to live a legacy type of company. So that it started with a little idea and it advanced to me wanting to go to Mars. I mean, like, think about that for a moment. That's some exciting shit. For me, my personal stuff is exciting as hell for me, like yours is for you. Remember that. Big difference, okay? I'm just sharing the emotion and the intellect needed to get to where you want to go. If you're afraid to go, I'm telling you, it's not going to be easy. It's going to be hard as hell. You're going to want to put your face in the pillow and cry on days. But you know what? You're not done. You're not done. All right? Because if you get up, it's onto the pivot. You get up and you try again. never ever give up. So that's what I got for you guys. Much love to you. Happy Thursday. Hope you have a fantastic evening. Crush your day tomorrow. I will be keeping my fingers crossed for you, and hoping you crush and accomplish those things that you want to do. Trust me, when you look at your end result and how fantastic it is, trust me, it's better than that. Okay? Much love to you. Have a wonderful night. Always remember, we are one people, one earth. Cheers.